We're about to play this game. Okay, we're gonna be join this. Alright, here we go. Well, oh biscuits, this could only mean I failed again. So what is it, teacher? So right, you didn't do well on your test. You failed for the time. Oh, my mom won't be happy about this. You can take a look at your... Oh my god, please don't tell my mom, okay? If you don't get an A on your next test, you won't... Oh my gosh, I'm getting struggled here. Oh dang. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put on the thing here. You know what? I'm putting the music on myself since the music has turned off. Here we go. Well, it seems like it gotten new here with hopes of summers. Anyways, let's do something. Hi Mom, I don't have a lot of time. I'm just okay. Okay, I guess. What? I know Mom has edited. Let's go. Now this is something here. I'm gonna finally done. Huh? Huh? Wait. Oh wow, great job. That's amazing. Let me see. Huh. Thank you. Alright. Thanks for watching.